Who dares me to do a water burnout in the garage? 357 cubic inches, single turbo. I will be updating the and fuel injectors. It needs it. If you saw my last video, 21-to-1, that is the danger zone. Can somebody say danger? Well, that's a danger zone. Woo, imagine. No, sir. Well, there's not enough fuel to begin with, so there was no chance for it to even get close to that. There was not enough injector. Anyway, oh, I'm so tempted. I would like, I'm so tempted. At least 10 likes would be awesome. I'm so tempted. Look at me, I'm ready. I'm ready. Don't look at that. Yeah. Yeah. This is going to be set up for 15 pounds. That's probably going to be too much for this engine, but I do need a camshaft though, more exhaust duration to get all the air and blah. 10 likes, baby. 10 likes. Or I might even do it anyway. 10 fucking.